Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change profile picture on Thread application. Friends, to change your profile picture, you simply need to open Thread application. Now in your Thread application, press on the profile icon. Now here press on edit profile. Now press on the profile picture. Now here press on new profile picture. Now select an image from your mobile gallery. Adjust your image and press on the arrow icon. Now our new picture is here and we need to press on done to save the changes. Now friends, as you can see, our profile picture is changed. So friends, like this you can very easily change your profile picture on Thread application. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.